you're all doing good. Guys, today's topic is all about the marking system in Part 3 MRCOG. Okay, so the Part 3 MRCOG is marked based on the domains. So all of you know there are 5 domains. The patient safety, where you are checked whether how safe a doctor you are, either from your colleague or from your consultant or from the patient. And the second thing is communication. Like one thing is how well you communicate to the patient, that's communication with patient, and how well you communicate to your examiner, which is communication with colleague, and as well as how well you communicate to your junior while teaching. And the third thing is information gathering, where you gather the information by asking the history, one thing. Second thing, gathering the information which is there in your reading instructions. Okay, and the last but not the least, apply clinical knowledge. Okay, so like it is not that to tell the whole of the guideline, but a patient is sitting in front of you, how do you customize your management? So in all the tasks, two domains would definitely be there: patient safety and apply clinical knowledge. And of course, either there could be communication one, information gathering could also be there. So maximum 4 out of 5, 3 to 4 out of 5 domains you are tested. And of course, with each domain, you start default 0, 1 is borderline, pass is 2. So the $1 million question, should I pass all the domains in all the tasks? The answer is yes, and as well as no. Actually, the marking system over the years have changed, and it is not necessary that if you have passed the exam also, some of the people wouldn't reach the domains in the clinical to the expected standard. So, but to be very honest, to be on the safer side, to pass your Part 3 as a cakewalk, you must remember to, while you're practicing, while you're studying, to clear in all the domains so that your pass is a definite cakewalk. Okay, so whenever you are practicing, please do practice. Please do, whenever you have been given a scenario to read, think how well I can communicate, what is the knowledge which I need to put in, how safe I should be. Okay, and apart from all this, there is something called an asterisk point. That means to say, for the particular domain, if you haven't answered that question, so then you are marked 0 for that particular domain. Okay, so I'm just giving an overall picture. Over the days, I would be telling in detail as well. And these are the domains which would help you to, sail through how well you will be able to go through. And there is something called a global score, where, like I would like a candidate as an overall panoramic view rather than the particular knowledge. Okay, so work on the domains. If somebody says your station didn't go well, ask which domain they didn't do well. Okay, so it's all about the play of domains. So all the very best. Know the tips and tricks, know the basic rules, and the exam is very, very easy. Okay, all the very best, guys. In coming days, I'm going to brief completely about details of all the domains. This is the basic 5 domains which you guys need to know for Part 3 MRCOG. All the best. Keep believing in yourself, and you will win. All the best.